Shining logo effects parehane.
First, open your CapCut, tap New Project, then select Photos. And now, choose your background. After choosing your background, tap the Add button. Tap the plus button, go to Photos, and select your logo. Then, tap Add. Tap the video that you added and find the overlay. And now, the video is already at the bottom. Reduce the size of the photo, just like what I did. After you reduce the size of the photo, find the duplicate. Tap the duplicated photo, lock or adjust, and select it. Increase the brightness 45 to 50. And go to brilliance, increase 45 to 50. Once you're done, tap the check. Next, hold and move it to lower. Then look for mask and select mirror. Adjust the size of the mirror and tilt it slightly. So to look it's better, blend it. After you blend, let's place it above the logo where we will start adding keyframes. Tap the keyframes. Once you've added the keyframes, go to the end of the video. Then hold the mask and drag it down until the line passes the logo. And it will automatically be added with keyframes. So once you're done, tap export.